Alright, this is video 7 of 9, and we're going to start right here. And remember, we're talking about Roger Chillingsworth and how is he going to seek revenge, right? And so that's what Hester and Dimmesdale are talking about, Roger Chillingsworth, revenge. There is a strange secrecy in his nature, his being Roger Chillingsworth, replied Hester thoughtfully, and it has grown upon him by the hidden practices of his revenge. I deem it not likely that he will betray the secret. He will doubtless seek other means of satisfying his dark passion. And I, how am I to live longer and breathe the same air with the deadly enemy, explained Arthur Dimmesdale, shrieking within himself and pressing his hand nervously against his heart, a gesture that had grown involuntarily with him. Think of me, Hester. Thou art strong, resolved for me. Thou must dwell no longer with this man, said Hester slowly and firmly. Thy heart must be no longer under his evil eye. If it were far worse than death, replied the minister, but how to avoid it? What choice remains to me? Shall I lie down again on these withered leaves, where I cast myself when thou didst tell me what he was? Must I sink down and die at once? Alas, what a ruin has befallen thee, said Hester, with the tears gushing into her eyes. Wilt thou die for very weakness? There is no other cause. The judgment of God is on me, answered the conscience-stricken priest. It is too mighty for me to struggle with. Heaven would show mercy, rejoined Hester, hadst thou but the strength to take advantage of it. Be thou strong for me, answered he. Advise me what to do. Is the world then so narrow? Exclaimed Hester Prynne, fixing her deep eyes on the minister's, and instinctively exercising a magnetic power over a spirit so shattered and subdued that it could hardly hold itself erect. Does the universe lie within the compass of yonder town, which only a little time ago was but a leaf-strewn desert? As long as this yonder town, which only a little time ago was a leaf-strewn desert, as lonely as this around us. Sorry, guys, I lost track there. Whither leads your fonder forest track? Backwards to the settlement, thou sayest? Yes, but onward too. Deeper it goes, and deeper into the wilderness, less plainly to be seen at every step, until some few miles hence the yellow leaves will show no vestige of the white man's tread. There thou art free. So brief a journey would bring thee from a world where thou hast been most wretched, to one where thou mayest still be happy. Is there not shade enough in all this boundless forest to hide thy heart from the gaze of Roger Chillingsworth? And so here we see Roger Chillingsworth is a bit of a weakling here, and then Hester's like, come on, bucker up, don't be so weak, okay? And then Hester's advising Roger Chillingsworth to run away and escape. She is telling Arthur Dimmesdale to escape and run away from Roger Chillingsworth. Okay? And so, yeah, here we go. This ends video 7.